Join us as we check out San Juan, Puerto Rico. We had an amazing day. We finished it off at the Shanghai Noodle Bar, so make sure you watch to the end. It is 8:30 in the morning. We are in Puerto Rico. We got here about 7 o'clock. San Juan. It is 8:30. We are tired, y'all. We've had early ports. And we're just gonna walk around today. So we decided to kind of sleep in and relax. We leave early today at 2:30, so we didn't really feel comfortable going on an excursion or to resort. So we're just gonna check out the shopping and see what's out there. Here we are, stuck on the ship this morning. We waited a little too late, I guess.
Yes, we did.
We were enjoying a leisurely breakfast, and another ship docked next to us, so we have to wait for them to get all settled in before we can exit the ship. Show you the crowd. We're just going to walk around today. We asked ChatGPT to make us a walking tour, right, Papa?
Yeah, it said it couldn't make a live map, but I was able to just take points of interest and drop them into Google Maps and create a walking map.
It is warm out here today. Street vendors are getting set up. We've passed several people selling ice cream. Lots of shopping here. This is the ferry area here, right by port. Thank you.
Cold water, $1.
Here's the ice cream stand here.
Gate Monument. We are at Gate Monument, whatever that means.
Okay. We are at Gate Monument. Is that the first place on our walking tour?
Yeah. I don't know if it's this or
Okay. There's some neat art here. Oh, those are Christmas ornaments. It is interesting to come to places that are so incredibly warm and they're still celebrating Christmas as they should be, but I'm just not used to that.
pretty.
That is pretty.
Maybe this is the site.
Yes, looks like a little park. Want to sit down? Lots of people set up with food trucks. Got pastries over here.
Wow, look at all the food trucks.
I know. We got more roosters. So funny to me. I can't pronounce all this food, but it's like $4, $5. Lots of fried goodness. Are you wanting something, Papa?
I'm just looking. Those are those pastelettos like we had at those pastelettos, I think, like we had in Cape, but I don't know if they'd be the same.
Oh, okay.
The prices are good.
Yeah, the prices are great. Oh, this is so pretty. I want to take a picture right here. Wow.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
It's absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad we decided to walk today and experience this.
Feels better when you're in the United States.
Yeah.
Not that I felt unsafe, but
This is a shop. Everything is made locally, or most things anyway. It's beautiful. I love these nativities. I'd be afraid I'd break that trying to get it back. These little ones are sweet though. Look at those angels back there. They're only $14. I might get one of those. We picked up this Gatorade, and it's melon. I'm good, thank you. It is so delicious. Going into Marshall's.
Puerto Rico, come to Marshall.
Shoes. These are fabulous. I would kill myself in them, but they are so pretty. $28. This building looks pretty. I don't know what it is. A hotel. It's a pretty little square here. This is Cathedral, Basilica, Manor. Looks like people went in to tour the hotel too. There was a suggested donation of $3 a piece, so we gave that. It's beautiful in here. Next up on our walking tour was San Juan National Historic Site. This was a beautiful castle. I love the view from the top of the Atlantic Ocean.
One at a time.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
One at a time to the bookstore.
Oh, to the bookstore.
Yeah, because you're not getting the ticket.
Okay. This is the center of the castle. And I'm going to the bookstore for free.
Yesterday we were in the DR.
This is a view from the top of the ramp of the castle.
There's our ship.
Yep. There's port right over there. It's a gorgeous view up here. I'm loving San Juan. I'd like to come back here and visit. And we're headed back to port. Papa said that was cool. And then he's like, hot but cool.
Sure.
I have sweated more today.
It's hot.
I'm not used to this humidity, even though I live on the Mississippi River. We are at the Shanghai Noodle Bar, so this is complimentary, but you do have to make a reservation. And you'll need to go to the front desk or call them. You can't walk up to the waiters here and make a reservation.
Can't use the app either.
Yeah. So go to guest services.
It's a little odd, but that's how it works.
All right. I went for the pork pot sticker fry, vegetable spring roll, the beef chow fun. I'm going to try also the glass noodles with chicken and vegetables. That may be too much, but I'm going to get it. Vegetable fried rice. Dessert sounds interesting. 5-spice chocolate cake. Or I could have chose a tropical fruit salad. This was our seating arrangement at Shanghai Noodle Bar. We enjoyed meeting people next to us and continued to hang out afterwards. The food to me was okay. I would probably make a different choice in the future. We appreciate you watching Maze on the Move. Please watch us and subscribe for more adventures.